From our last introductory video, we showed how our user was able to add and populate his GreenNet Garden with trees. This video will provide you with more details on how the GreenNet Garden works and the other interactions we have built into the system. We are back on the user's profile page, and Kevin, the user, has now been using the application for about a month, and you can see how flowers are now present by the trees. The GreenNet Garden is used to indicate all of the user system interactions in one central place by using the garden as a metaphor. Each type of flower indicates a different kind of interaction with the system. The number of yellow flowers indicates the number of replies that the user has made in GreenNet. The pink flower represents the number of posts made or media uploads. The purple flower indicates the number of quiz questions answered correctly, and the red flower indicates the number of green products purchased on the green market. We will go into further details regarding how the flowers are added in the other video scenarios. As you can see, there are flowers of different sizes. The size of the flower represents the amount of time that has passed since the user has made the initial interaction of adding the flower. For example, the large pink flower was added a month ago, which corresponds to a post that was made a month ago. Likewise, the smaller pink flower was added more recently. Moving on to the trees, as you saw in the previous scenario, the user was able to select the tree and change it, so that another friend's tree appeared. The tree size corresponds to the individual's energy consumption, and the actual number of kilowatt per hour can be seen on top of the tree, along with the name of the friend to whom it belongs to. Additionally, the user is still able to change the trees in his own garden, as was shown in our previous video. At the top of the garden is a list of buttons which can be used to compare other aspects that exist within Facebook's network framework. These include Friend, which we are currently on, School, Region, and Company. All of these trees can be changed in a similar way to the Friends tree, but displaying a list of elements that relate to the particular section in question. The data for all of these trees comes from the user's friends list information available through Facebook. Going back to comparing friends, you will notice that there is a note stuck to the side of the user's tree. This element is used to notify the user that he has received a new message from one of his friends. By clicking on the note, it expands to allow the user to read the message. From here, the user can go to the other wall posts located on the My GreenNet page. This concludes the Green Garden scenario for the GreenNet Facebook application.